You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down, and you enchant me even when you're not around.
You came.
Well, you did say it was urgent.
I've got you, love. You're a new face. I knew you were tough, I knew you were cunning, but I never knew you were a queen.
I feel we're close enough.
I'm beginning to think we're a lot alike.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love, your love. And now I've got you in my space. I won't let go with you. You got me shackled in my embrace.
Doesn't make me want to puke.
I'm latching onto you.
Writing a love letter to one of your many suitors. Don't tell me it's me. I thought I was out of the running ages ago.
And the award for biggest ego goes to...
I'm latching onto you. I'm latching onto you.
Still not Hayley, I would actually like
latching onto you.
Our daughter should be raised by her parents.
Latching onto you.
Klaus.
My reputation precedes me. Hopefully not all bad.
A little bad. Mostly repulsive.
What did he say to you?
With you.
Nothing true.
You got me shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.